Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. Powering this accident-free four-wheel drive SUV is a gas 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can still get you only 11 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have a good amount of cargo space. You can also open up the bottom shelf for some additional space. And then you can flip down the third row of seats with these buttons to make even more storage. You also have a powered liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have running boards along the cab. You also have power adjustable mirrors and windows. You have memory driver's seat. The BOSE premium sound system up on the dash is your heads-up display. Traction control parking sensors as well as lane keep assist. You have a tow brake controller and your 4x4 controls. On your heated steering wheel, you have your forward collision warning, cruise control, which is adaptive, as well as your display controls and hands-free audio. This vehicle currently has 71,943 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay ready to go, dual zone automatic climate controls, a way to adjust the rear climate control, heated and cooled front seats, as well as your power ports. This vehicle also has premium leather seats, which the front two are power adjustable. Now looking at the back seats, you have handles to help you get in, a great view of the sun moonroof, pockets in the back of both front seats, your rear AC, the middle row of seats are heated and you have access to power ports. With the middle two seats, you have flip-down armrests, and you also have 3 seats in the back with cup holders, storage, as well as access to 12-volt power. If you'd like to see this 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you'd think.